Colors play an important role in interiors. 10 tips to find the perfect color for your room. Hi everyone, I am Rita Chaudhary Naik, interior designer from Space Design Group, Mulund, Mumbai. Let us talk about colors. Colors are present all around us and are involved with every aspects of our life. Colors are intimately connected with our feelings and emotions and can be applied to improve energy around us, lift our spirit, and create a light and happy living space. When it comes to choosing colors for your home, it is a challenge and fun too. Here are some tips on how to get inspired and use colors in your spaces. First, find out the purpose of that room. Living room should be warm and inviting. Bedroom should be cozy and calm. Kids' room should be vibrant and energetic. In the first image, feel the coziness of the bedroom and the vibrant colors of yellow, green, and orange in the kids' room. Second, choose art as a source of inspiration. Painting a home that already has furniture and decorative items will be easier as you can use this inspiration for choosing right colors. In the first image, sofa is taken as an inspiration and the walls decor are chosen accordingly. In the second image, furniture is taken as an inspiration and curtains, wallpaper are matched accordingly. Third, create hierarchy. Rank the surface of your room according to their importance. If you have a wall with family pictures, that will be the focal point. Accentuate that wall. The more important surfaces should have the warmest color treatment, the contrast, which will make the surfaces stand out. Look at the examples. The walls are painted with warm color palette in the first image. In the second image, the art stands out as the wall is painted in light pastel shades. Fourth, from darker to lighter tones. Decorate from darker to lighter tones in your space, starting from dark flooring, medium colors on walls, and lighter tones on the ceiling. Look at the images. Flooring with dark color, walls medium, and accessories matching to it in darker and lighter shades of blue. Fifth, feature objects. When painting a house, consider neutral palette. Example, white as a base color. It makes the space appear large. It is considered as a cool color. Add colorful accessories like rugs, cushions, curtains, plants, paintings, which make the decor stand out. In the first image, we see the walls are painted in white. Rugs, bedsheet, wall hangings, and pots stand out. In the second image, we see the colorful accessories and the plants add beauty to it. Pop spaces. Certain colors and combination of colors are linked in our mind to specific style, and because colors and textures are almost inseparable, you can use this to enhance your style. In the first example, the sitting area is highlighted with a color combo of yellow and white which stands out. In the second picture, the importance is given to the dressing. See the color combo. 7. Limit the number of colors. While selecting colors for a particular space, make sure you do not choose more than 4 main colors. Additional colors can be the tint and shades of the main color, but not a whole of different colors. There should be balance of usage of those 4 colors. In the images shown, we can see balance of colors. 8th, balance of colors. With using 4 to 5 colors, the use of each color should be in proportion. We cannot use every color in its maximum capacity. The ratio should be 60-30-10, wherein 60% is the maximum space, maybe the walls, and 30% like the curtains and sofas, and the remaining 10% is the accessories. In the examples shown, we can see the ratio of colors. 9th, Pick a right color scheme from the color wheel. As you have seen at the starting, the color wheel image is shown. Colors that create style and appeal. Use it to help you see the aesthetic feeling of mixed colors for every room. The color wheel starts out with the primary colors red, blue, yellow. Secondary colors are created by mixing primary colors orange, green, purple. Tertiary colors are created by mixing secondary colors. There are 4 basic color schemes: monochromatic, complementary, analogous and triads. Monochromatic scheme. Monochromatic scheme means one color in combination with many or all its tints and shades. Complementary scheme. Colors are opposite or contrast to each other. Pair intense orange with green for a wild interplay of warm and cool effects it brings about. Analogous scheme. Any 3 consecutive shades or their tints in color wheel: blue, green, light green. Get inspiration from nature. There is wide spectrum of green to choose from. Green is associated with balance and harmony. It is comforting and stress relieving. It connects us to unconditional and constant support we receive from nature. Tertiary or triad scheme. Mix of primary and secondary colors red, orange, yellow, green and blue and violet. Thank you. Hope you all have liked it. Please subscribe to our channel. You can write to us on any design related queries in the comment section or mail us now.